Texas county approves tax breaks for Tesla if it builds a $1.1 billion car plant near Austin. Tesla's been looking for a place to build this Cybertruck. A lot of demand, a lot of interest in that Cybertruck. And so different regions have been attempting to court them to say, come on over here. We know you're going to bring some jobs with you. Or you're going to deliver some jobs to this region. People looking for jobs right now. Unemployment is up in a lot of regions due to the lockdown, as mentioned previous story. And so he's getting pitched from Texas and near Austin, getting pitched from Oklahoma, near Tulsa, a couple places that this factory could go.
Is it one of those gigafactories?
Well, I don't know what accounts to a gigafactory. They just call all their facilities gigafactories.
I see.
Or does it have to hit a certain... Actually, the next story is going to be talking about a gigafactory. This would probably be that. I don't know if it has to be a certain scale to be called that.
Right.
But anyways, it would be the plant responsible for the Cybertruck. Yeah, they're going to call it a gigafactory. I think they call every factory a gigafactory.
For car production.
I'm pretty sure every car production facility they do, I think they call it a gigafactory because they did the same thing in Shanghai, right?
Yeah.
Travis County in Texas has voted to give Tesla tax breaks worth a minimum of $14.7 million to build a new car plant and eventually employ thousands near the Austin airport. The site where Tesla has proposed to build the next gigafactory is known as the Austin Green Development. Tesla still has to purchase the land for an estimated $5 million plus another $1.1 billion at least to build the plant. These are high-tech plants going on there. So they had a little conversation in their city hall type of setup. Some people for it, some people against it. Obviously, on the for side is the idea of economic improvement, jobs, all the rest of it. On the flip side, people say, what are they going to pay people? What's the minimum wage? Can we have a union? Your usual conversations that will happen in a situation like that. In February 2020, the Texas Workforce Commission reported 19,342 unemployed in the county in which the proposition exists. So in Travis County, 20,000 unemployed, which is an unemployment rate of 2.6. But by May 2020, because of the outbreak, that went up to 81,000 unemployed, which is a rate of 11.6. So there's going to be tough to keep them out. If Tesla wants to be there, it's going to be hard to imagine that people wouldn't want these jobs. It's going to be hard to imagine that. Tesla has said that they'll provide a minimum wage of at least $15 an hour for food service and custodial workers, but people are concerned with the higher paying jobs and what those are going to look like as well. But it remains to be seen. There's no decisions been made. It's a curious situation if Tesla goes there. But it does seem like Elon is interested in the idea of diversifying away from strictly being in Fremont there in California.
Yes.
He's not the most friendly with a lot of these California politicians. If you remember, I don't know, there's a back and forth on Twitter. Remember what I said about Twitter earlier?
Yeah, outrage.
Yeah, there's a back and forth on Twitter.